Today is April 11:16 a.m. We saw some unusual options on new holdings. This is ticker symbol NU, and it's trading kind of flat today. This is a stock that is in Brazil. So it's a company, Brazil-based in the digital banking industry. So keep that in mind. And as we look at these unusual options to see what this is trying to tell us. So you'll see these unusual options at 10:48 a.m. This is the May 19th. You'll see 20,000 of them. And the one thing to keep in mind is that they paid $4 for them. Okay. And then if you notice that at 10:15, you'll also see these January 2024s. And these were done at 12,370. Okay. So the interesting and unusual thing is that the price difference between these two, you'll also notice, is 4. 33 subtracted by 29 is 4. Okay? And so what is happening here? Why the coincidence? So if we look at the January 2024s, you'll see here that at the 7 call strikes, there is also these 12,000 contracts. The volume is less than the open interest. So what we believe is going on is that they are selling this to close this position. They're going to close this position off, and then they bought this 3.5 puts. Okay, and so by doing that, by selling that, they're collecting a $4 credit. So let's see, let's do this. Let's kind of analyze this together. They sell that and they buy this. So that's a $4 credit you see here. So we will analyze that on the risk profile, and you'll see that here. Okay. And so then what they're doing with that $4 in credit is they're going now to the May 19th here, you'll see here. Okay, so they go out to the May 9th, the closer short term in just 29 days. Okay, and then they're taking that $4 credit and then buying it. So you see these 20 or so thousand contracts here. These are open orders greater than the open interest. We are also in this position. Just because it's quite a very inexpensive option, and so here we are. Let's analyze this. So the actual net cost to them is 0 because of the way they collected the credit and then they paid it same amount. So this is a net 0 to put on this position. The key thing is that once we analyze both together, you'll see that it's a short position. So it actually profits as the price from 4.86 goes down. So that this is actually above that 0 profit loss line on the y-axis. So it's a short position, and so that's why we think something may happen. That maybe there is something going on in the digital banking industry in Brazil that is trying to tell us that maybe this is going to drop sometime before earnings. This expiration is after earnings. So keep in mind that May 19 date is actually past earnings, because earnings is May 15. Okay, and the interesting thing is at 3.5 strikes, this is actually about the same support level here at the beginning of the year when it was trading around that range before this large rally, and then it's consolidating here, and now where is it going to go from here, right? So these unusual options seem to be pointing towards a downward move here. again, we could be wrong. Yeah, that's our analysis of these unusual options, and we'll find out in about these 30 days. So if you found value in this analysis, please give us a like. Helps us make more of these videos, and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we see unusual options. Take care, everybody.